Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to do a good spices. It's very good for turkey or Lego lamb or for a shish kebab. Every time I cooked something and I put these spices, people just knocking at the door. They just wanted to eat that food. That's how good it is. So I'm going to show you how you do it and with the simple ingredients that we have around the house. Some of them, and some of them I have secret ingredients which make it pop. We're gonna use oregano, and we're gonna use black pepper, salt, kosher salt or normal salt, and then bay leaves. We're gonna use a couple of them. Mint, which is I grow in the house and I dry it so it is fresh. And then the three secret ingredients is cardamom and cloves and Mistika. So I'm going to show you the three secret ingredients first, which is right here. This is the Mistika. You only buy it from the spices store. Not everybody have that. Cardamom, also in the Mediterranean stores, and cloves, fresh cloves. And you can get it grinded. It's fine. Any of these can get them grinded. It's okay. I'm also gonna use this is the bay leaf that we talked about. I'm gonna use also crushed red pepper. If you don't want it and you don't like spices that much, you don't have to put it, but it's very good. So let's assemble what we're gonna do. We're gonna put all this in the grinder and then we grind them later right now. So let's take the oregano, put some oregano, like a spoon of oregano, okay, and then some black pepper. I usually don't measure, but I'm gonna measure today just to show you. Um, I can use a little bit, like 1.5 black pepper or um, two. It depends. And as for salt, I use more than the other ingredients. Let's say 3 spoons of salt. And then bay leaves, I'm gonna use one or two. So I'm gonna put like two, and I crush them so like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna put a spoon of crushed red pepper on top here. And then the cardamom, let's say a spoonful, or if you're gonna count them, also just a spoonful like that. And then half a spoon of the cloves. I measured them, so I'm gonna put all of them, and also another spoon of the Mistika. So I'm gonna put all of them here, like that, and then now I'm gonna transfer them to the grinder. Put them in the grinder here. And my grinder is very small, so I don't know if I can do all of them. If I can't, I can do some of them and then put the other later and then mix them. So I just work with what I have here. Okay, great. I got all of them here. And then put them in the grinder and then start grinding them. Okay, it didn't take that long. Now I have them here. I think I need a little bit more, so I'm going to do it some more. So the best way to transfer them, you can just put them in the plate and start cook with them right away. What I do, I get a bottle like this, and then I put them in there, and then I use them when I want to. So I don't have to do that every time I'm cooking. So you get a piece of paper, and if you have a funnel, you can do it and you put it with a funnel. If you don't, just get a piece of paper and do it like a funnel, like that. Put it here, and then transfer that here. Let me show you how to do this. And here you go. Now you have all the spices here, and then we have all the spices now in the bottle, and we can use that. We close it very tight, and then we can use it anytime we want to. The spices is good for a long time. It can last for like 2-3 months. Um, I hope you like that. And if you tried and you liked it and the whole house smelled and wonderful and people came and asked you, what are you cooking? Let me know below. Subscribe and let me know your opinion. Thank you. Have a great day. See you soon.